Welcome back everyone. In this video, I'll show you how to use Magic Eraser on your Google Photos using your iPhone running iOS 18. So if you've taken a photo using your iPhone and you want to erase something in the photo, then let me show you how to do this. So first you want to go ahead and open up Google Photos. Next you want to go ahead and open up the picture which you've taken. So for example, this one here. Tap on it. Now here I've taken a picture of a blind and a shelf. So I want to remove this stuff in the middle here. So to do this, I'll tap on Edit from the bottom. And now from here, I'll tap on Tools. From Tools, I'll get this Magic Eraser, which basically says Make Distraction Disappear. So I'll go ahead and tap on that. Now I'll go ahead and erase. Now I'll use my finger and go ahead and create a circle around it or shade it in. And now it has detected that item and it has basically erased it. So if you're not happy with it, you can go ahead and do more. And now once you're happy with that, go ahead and tap on Done and then tap on Save. Now here it'll ask you if you want to save it without the motion or save it as a copy. So for now, I'll just save it as motion without the motion. And now if I go back to my photo library. And there you go, I have the photo there without that distraction in the middle. So there you go, that is how to use a Magic Eraser on Google Photos using your iPhone on iOS 18. Now if you're new on the channel and you want to find out more about your iPhone, your Android phone, or any other social media apps, then don't forget to subscribe to this channel. Hit the like button if you find this video useful. Thank you for watching and see you in the next one.